Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I share with you some beautiful crochet doormat designs model. Crochet doormat designs can range from simple to intricate, offering a variety of styles and patterns. Here are a few common design types and ideas for crochet doormats. Simple single stitch patterns, single crochet, a dense and sturdy fabric, perfect for doormats. Double crochet, a bit more open but can be dense by using a smaller hook or thicker yarn. Texture patterns, bubble stitch creates a bumpy texture that can be both decorative and functional for a carving chart of shoes. Basket web uses front post and back post double crochet to create an open look. Geometric designs, chevron, zigzag, alternating peaks and valleys add visual interest. Hexagons, combining hexagonal motifs for a unique and modern look. Themed designs, seasonal themes, incorporate motifs related to holidays or seasons, like snowflakes for winter or flowers for spring. Welcome messages, crochet letters, or use tapestry crochet techniques to spell out welcome or other greetings. Color work stripes. Simple stripes in contrasting color can be striking. Color blocking. Large sections of different colors for a modern, bold look. Leg patterns. Fillet crochet. Create open designs that are still sturdy enough for a doormat. Pineapple leg, an intricate pattern often used in vintage designs, providing an elegant touch. Frings and edgings. Frings edges. Add frings around the edge for a rustic look. Scalloped string. Decorative edges add a finished look to the doormat. Recycled and eco-friendly. T-shirt yarn. Use recycled t-shirt yarn for a durable and eco-friendly option. Yarn. Plastic yarn made from plastic bags. This material is very sturdy and weather resistant. Tips for making a crochet doormat. Use a sturdy yarn. Choose durable, washable yarns like cotton or blends designs for home decor. Dense stitches ensure the mat is tightly crocheted to with a stand foot traffic. Non-slip backing. Consider adding a non-slip backing to keep the mat in place. Example patterns. Basic crochet doormat. Using single crochet stitches, create a rectangle with a simple border in contrasting color. Chevron doormat. Alternate colors to create a zigzag pattern using double crochet stitches. Welcome mat. A tapestry crochet techniques to incorporate the word welcome into the mat. By using a design that matches your style and skill level, you can create a beautiful and functional crochet doormat. Creating a crochet doormat can be both fun and practical. Here are additional tips to ensure your project is easy-tail. Material tips. Choose the right yarn. Durability. Use strong, durable yarn like cotton, jute, or nylon. T-shirt yarn can prune. Plastic yarn are excellent for durability and weather resistant. Thickness. Thicker yarns create a sturdier mat. Look for bulky or super bulky yarn width. Hook size. Use a hook size that matches your yarn width, but consider going down a size for a denser, sturdier fabric. Color choice. Darker colors are better at hiding dirt and stains. Use color-fast yarns that don't wilt when washed. Pattern selections. Choose patterns that create a dense fabric like single crochet, half double crochet, or tightly worked double crochet. Incorporate textured stitches like bubbles, cables, or basket weave to add interest and functionality. Size. Standard doormat size are around 18 into 30 inches, but customized to fit your spaces. Thank you so much for watching this video. Happy crocheting!